let us revise the 10 most important provisions of a Section 8 company. Section 8 company is formed for the purpose of promoting commerce, art, science, sports, education, and other charitable objects. It intends to apply the profits or any other income in promoting its objects. It prohibits the payment of dividend to members. Second, the ROC may by license direct that the association be registered as a company with limited liability without adding the words limited or private limited to its name. Third, alteration of the memorandum requires the prior permission of the regional director, and alteration of the articles requires prior permission of ROC. Fourth, on registration, subject to the conditions of Section 8, such companies will have the same privileges. They will have the same obligations as a limited company. Fifth, in case the company contravenes any of the requirements or conditions subject to which the license was issued, or if we feel that the affairs of the company were conducted fraudulently, or they are in violation of the objects of the company, or they are against the public interest, then the regional director shall revoke the license, and ROC will put the words limited or private limited against the name of the company in the register. Sixth, where the license is revoked and the central government is satisfied that it is essential in public interest, then it may direct that the company be either wound up or amalgamated with another company registered under Section 8 and having similar objects. Seventh, if on winding up or dissolution there remains any surplus assets, then that surplus may be transferred to either a Section 8 company having similar objects, or the assets may be sold and the proceeds may be credited to the insolvency and bankruptcy fund. Eighth, a Section 8 company shall amalgamate only with another Section 8 company having similar objects. This is important for exam. Ninth, a Section 8 company may convert itself into any other kind of company after complying with the conditions which are prescribed in Rule 21 and 22 of the Companies Incorporation Rule 2014. Lastly, the Section 8 company enjoys privileges, like it need not add the words limited or private limited to its name. It can give only 14 days notice for the general meeting instead of the 21 clear days notice. And even a partnership firm can become a member of Section 8 company. Listen to this video 2-3 times and you will be able to learn all the provisions of a Section 8 company.